it's me, Emily here. I'm going to do another slime video. And this slime video is going to be very different from my other videos because I'm going to mix all this glitter into this green slime and put the little charm in. And I'm going to start. I tried to pick the latest slime that I could find because then it's easier to see the glitter that I'm hoping for it to turn out how I really want it to turn out like. Okay, now I'm just gonna drop this right in there. I really want to flatten it out so the glitter doesn't go everywhere, like all over the place. And I love how they decorated this bag. There used to be like a little charm right here, but then I was like, that doesn't really look so good, so I took it off. I mean, we took it off for it to be a charm. And they even have little pearls in here that might go all over the place. And I'm actually hoping that this turns out how I really want it to turn out. Is that all? Ugh. That's all I can get out, actually. Now, I'm just going to start mixing it and cross my fingers that this hopes to turn out how I really wanted it to turn out. To be like, I can see it's kind of happening already. I just need to wait till the green goes away. Wow, yeah. I can see. It's turning out how I kind of wanted it to be. Yep. I think putting the pearls in was a really bad idea. This actually turned out how I wanted it to be. It's kind of like blue fairy slime. That's what I'm gonna call it, blue fairy slime. I saw a picture of this on YouTube and I was like, I've got to try to make this. This is so cute, I love it. Wow, I love this slime. Oh, I forgot to put my little heart charm in. Ah. Wow, I absolutely love this slime. It is so cute, but it breaks very easily, but very cute. But after I end this video, I bet the green is still going to be like kind of showed out, but that's why I'm kind of mixing it for a long time so the green goes away. And this actually, oh, look at this. Pearls is stuck together. It's kind of like a hair clip. And this actually did turn out how I actually wanted it to be. And I love it. I can't believe it actually worked out. And I might do another video like this for you guys, jelly fans. This is really cool fairy slime. I love it. It's so cute. I love it. Bye, jelly fans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.